Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up grid trading in Binance. All right, so first off, go ahead over to Binance.com. Now go ahead and go to the top, hover over trade, and just click on trading bots. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, make sure that you have a balance in here. So once that's done, just click on trade now. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, we have this back arrow key. You can guys choose from futures grid or even spot right here. Okay, and some other options. So let's just go ahead and select maybe spot. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, right here we have the popular pairs. Okay, for example, BTC BRL or BTC JPY. You could also use AI right here. Okay, so this one, AI or auto mode. Okay, this is recommended for beginners as AI sets parameters based on historical data. If you want to copy one, so just click on copy right here. And after that, you're good to go. Now we have popular picks right here. Okay, and manual. So just basically define the lower and upper price limits. For example, the lower limit would be 50. The upper price may be 100. Okay, so number of grids, grid counts matters right here. So more grids means more frequent trades, but smaller profits per trade. So fewer grids means larger or less frequent profits. So define your grid number right here and then go ahead and click on this drop down. You could either choose from arithmetic or geometric. So arithmetic is for equal price differences and geometric right here is for equal ratio differences. So just go ahead and select one of these options. And then after that, enter the amount of investment that you would like or you would like to use. For example, 50, 100%. It's up to you. Okay. You'll have a note right here that the minimum USDT investment required to run this grid strategy is this amount. If you want to, you could go ahead and lower the price ranges right here and the number of grids as well. You have advanced options right here as well, which is of course optional. So grid trigger, TPSL, trailing up, select the ones that you need. And then once done, just click on sign terms and you'll be good to go. There's this disclaimer right here. Grid trading carries risks, especially in one-way trending markets or with high-level leverage in futures. That is how you set up grid trading here in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.